Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the language of the subtitle on the Crunchyroll application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the account option down below, which is the last option, and after that scroll down to the general section and click on subtitle language. Now it is set to English, but if you scroll down you can see that you have a bunch of other languages that you can choose from. All you have to do is just simply clicking on the relevant button in order to change the subtitle language. So if you go back, the subtitle language will be updated automatically, so feel free to go back to this section if you want to change it back to something else. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.